Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing Tad's Fridge Phonics, which you can easily find on the Leapfrog store for about $20, Amazon, and Target for all the range of $20. I have to say the unboxing was not the easiest even when I had an X-Acto knife. So the fridge magnets are packaged quite nicely. You can easily see which letters you have in each package, which is the entire alphabet. The set comes with instructions for how it works and some advertisement for their website if you need any of that. Again, not the easiest time opening the box, so I eventually just ended up ripping the entire side to get it out. This time we have blue letter fridge magnets. Batteries are included, and the set kept playing as I tried to open the package. So it feels very sturdy, nice, easy, open access to batteries in the back. The volume change and on and off slide is very easy for younger kids to access. The set also comes with sentence magnets.
Love you!
For each number, there is a different setting and way to teach the kids the letter.
A says A. Every letter makes the sound A says A. And A.
The letter magnets are either green, yellow, or blue, while the vowels are red. I think the set is well worth $20, and it's easy for kids to learn with all the different color-coded letters, and everything seems very high quality.